Right, so I guess every year in Rose they have a go-kart cash days race for all the people. We $25 buy-in pot. The winner gets 70% of the pot. So got my little brother in on it. He's gonna get in on the action, man. We're gonna go out there and slay it, throw it down. Hopefully we win some money, man. Let's get it. It's gonna be sick. I don't know if they're gonna let me use my helmet because it's an open face, so I don't know if I'll be able to take my GoPro out or not. But I can't take my GoPro out there. Hopefully my dad can get some shots of it for us on the Canon. It'll be good. Oh yeah, look at that pop, baby. Cash day. We going in on it.
That's chump change.
That's Wicknick money right there.
That's Wicknick money, man. That's what the pros bring.
Not bad, not bad.
Hell yeah. Let's get it, Terry. Alright, no open face helmet, so I won't be able to take my GoPro, but hopefully my dad can get some shots of me and they can throw it down out there so, on this, so let's see. Damn, I dropped the ball. I didn't know about the Cash Days kart race. I would have brought my other helmet set up for the mount, but fuck. This is actually, I've never been in a go-kart race. This would be my first like legit go-kart race. Gonna be sick.
You got some crazy motherfuckers. Where's Hobson?
Let's freaking go! If you pass me, I'm gonna take you out. Let me see, get the big one.
29 and 31, huh?
Apologies for not having a GoPro, really unfortunate, would have been sick, so I'm just gonna narrate this one. Here we go, let's get it started. That's me going around the outside right there on the start. Alright, coming out of turn 1, I'm in 3rd, Nick's in 4th. I have the red and white helmet, Nick has the green and white helmet. Alright, here we come, coming down the straight, going into turn 1, and I try to run up wide, carry as much speed to get up to 2nd to make the pass, and catch some gravel, some dirt on the track from the drifting right there on the rumble strips, and I spin out, and Ben Hobson hits me, man. Hits me freaking hard too, you can hear everybody reacting from the crash. Unfortunately, we didn't get it on camera though.
Ow! That was a good hit.
Now Nick's sitting in 3rd. Unfortunately, right here, Nick gets held up by some slower traffic and loses some spots. Unfortunately, man. Right here, I make a pretty sweet pass around the outside. It's pretty sick. Guy went flying off track and then gets on right in front of Nick going into turn 1. Nick has a little bit of contact right there in turn 1. Pulls out a slide. Make a nice ride. And I've also caught back up to Nick. Quick shot of me and Hobson. Nick beat me to the finish, man, but I was right behind him, and then Hobson right behind me. That's pretty sick. It's pretty cool, bro. It was really sick to race some go-karts with Ben Hobson.
Well, me and Nick had the win in the bag, especially me on that first lap. I got the start. I was in 3rd. I was moving in the past 2nd. I know I was faster than those 2 in 1st. Going to that corner right there, and the fucking dust from the drifting was on the track. As soon as my tires hit that, I slid out right on the rumps. I'm looking at the go-kart coming, and he smacks me so freaking hard, and it turned out to be Ben Hobson. After the race, we had a good little laugh about it. His neck's all messed up, my back's all freaking jacked. Nick had a good run at it too. He had a chance to win too, but this fucking asshole that didn't know how to drive was just pitting everybody and pitted him out of the way, and he took fucking 3rd, and it is what it is. But Nick, can you show him the damage on my back, bro? Fucking A, dog. Massive fucking lump right here, dude. Massive. It's cut too, isn't it? God damn, dude. Hobson said his neck was wrecked. At least the season's over. You got the championship. It's been cool talking to Hobson today. Fucking God, this place is sick. We'll get him next year, man.
You guys are on KCYBC.
Yeah.